Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up property listings with Redfin Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Redfin Pro website. Log in to your Redfin Pro account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the property listings section in the main menu. Click on that Add New Listing button. You will be directed to a new page to input your property details. Start by entering the property address in the designated field. Fill in the property type, selecting from options like single-family home or condominium. Next, specify the listing price for the property. Provide an accurate square footage for the living space. Include the number of bedrooms and bathrooms in the respective fields. If applicable, add any additional features such as a garage, basement, or pool. Upload high-quality photos of the property by clicking on the Upload Images button. Ensure that the images showcase the property from various angles. Craft a compelling property description, highlighting key features and the neighborhood. Schedule an open house if desired, providing date and time details. Double-check all the information entered for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish Listing button. Your property listing will now be live on the Redfin Pro platform. Monitor your listing regularly for inquiries and updates. Respond promptly to any questions from potential buyers. Promote your listing through your network to increase visibility. Keep the listing updated with any changes or new information as needed. Congratulations, your property listing is now successfully set up with Redfin Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.